So we're about to reach 10,000 subscribers, which is insane. That is why I'm gonna give away one copy of FL Studio Producer Edition. All you need to do is follow me on Instagram and send me a DM that says, I wanna win, lock me in. The moment we reach 10k subs, which is gonna be in a few days, I'm gonna pick a random winner and send you a DM. Please do not respond to anyone pretending to be me. This is a scam that happens a lot. My Instagram is in the description, and if you get a message from anyone else, it's fake. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Let's get into FL. So, hi-hats. You can do more with them than you think. They can completely change your beats, and today you'll learn a few tricks that you can't miss out on. We're gonna start with level 1. So first thing you wanna do is obviously create a pattern. To do this, right-click the sample and choose fill each 2 steps. Then you get a simple pattern like this. A mistake a lot of producers make is lowering the notes of the hi-hats without changing the stretch mode. As you can see, the lower you go, the longer the note sounds. That does not sound good. To fix that, open up the hi-hat in the sampler and set the stretch mode to stretch. Now the notes will always be the same length no matter what note you play. Next, randomize the velocity and panning. To do it quickly, hit Alt+R on your keyboard. Then in the randomizer, play with the panning and the velocity. Once you're satisfied, click accept. Now what I like to do is lower the velocity of every other note. That will create more bounce. To do that, select them all by holding Ctrl Shift and then clicking them. Now hold Alt on your keyboard and scroll down with the mouse wheel. That lowers the velocity. What I love to do as well is add hi-hat rolls. My favorite spot is right before a snare. To do that, simply extend the note by dragging it. Then select it and press Alt+U on your keyboard. This opens up the shopper. Play with the time multiplicator, and when you're done, click on accept. Create an upwards velocity curve like this, and there you go. That sounds awesome. Well, I think you're ready for level 2, which is adding effects. By the way, I can't wait to show you level 3, but we're not there yet. Now, if you add effects like reverb, delay, or chorus to a hi-hat, things can get muddy real quick. To fix that, go to the second bus in the mixer and call it, for example, chorus. Then simply add fruity chorus to that mixer. Once it's open, create an effect that you like. Now, this will be too much. It will take too much space in the mix. So select the hi-hat track and route it to the chorus track. Then with the knob on the bottom, you can decrease the amount of chorus by turning it down. This gives you more control over the effect, and the dry signal will maintain. And the best thing is you can send other mixers to the chorus as well, which means you will save a lot of CPU. Okay, level 3. It's time to create your own hi-hats. This is pretty advanced, so follow along carefully. First, you're gonna need a plugin called Serum or Vital. That one is free, by the way, link below. Now open up the menu on the top and click Initialize Preset. Now it sounds like this. Disable the oscillator because we don't need it. Then enable the sampler and make sure white noise is selected. This is just a white noise sample loaded in, nothing more. Next, to shape the sound, we're gonna use the envelope. Set the sustain and release all the way to 0. Decrease the decay as well. Now it already sounds like a hi-hat. The shape you see here is how the sound is being played. Now, before we move on to effects, increase the pitch of the noise. That will get rid of the body already. Next, go to the Effects tab and add an EQ to it. We're gonna enable the high pass so that we can filter out the low frequencies. We obviously don't want them. And that is how you can create your very own hi-hats. This is also how drum kits are usually being made. Oh, real quick, have you seen the new update of FL Studio already? No? Oh, you should definitely catch up with that. Go click the video here. Yes. Goodbye.